Hi there, students. Offhand. Okay, offhand is both an adjective and an adverb. But notice as well, we do have the adverb offhandedly. So, offhand, three different meanings, although they group together quite well. Firstly, without planning, without prior preparation. He gave the speech offhand. I haven't investigated this matter, but offhand, I think it's going to be easy to resolve. So offhand, I haven't thought about it, but this is my first impression. The second meaning of offhand is careless, without sufficient thought, without enough planning, without effort. He's very offhand with his work and often makes silly mistakes. I don't like his offhand attitude, his casual, not serious attitude. He doesn't concentrate. And then finally, offhand can mean unfriendly, brusque, a bit rude. He was very offhand with me yesterday. So he was a bit rude. He answered me very curtly. He made some offhand remarks that upset people. A bit rude. So the next question, is it offhand, 2 words, offhand, 1 word, or off-hand? Well, I think probably you can use all three. I think if pushed, I would say use it as 1 word, but I don't think that's going to be a hard and fast rule. So, offhand, remember, without planning, careless and lacking attention, and unfriendly, a bit rude. So, unprepared. Offhand, I can't remember his address, but I'll look it up. So, without forethought, on the spur of the moment. Then we have this meaning without due care and attention. He offhandedly threw everything into the dustbin without looking through it. And then finally, rude or unpleasant. He was very offhand with me this morning. He was rather rude. So, not prepared. Could you give me an offhand estimate of what this will cost? Lacking care, casual. They offhandedly cleaned the rooms, but very badly, because they don't receive enough pay. And then finally, ungracious, nonchalant, offensively. His offhand remarks made people very upset. Okay, so there you go. What about formality? Offhand. I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation in the pub, and I think you could also use it in a formal document, so it's something nice and flexible. And the origin, well, off your hand. So I guess it just falls off your hand. You're not thinking about it. So, offhand, without planning, careless, lack of attention, and unfriendly, curt, and a bit rude or brusque. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Offhand.